you up, I lift you down. Judo's the place.
Get in there and tell him he has got to go.
But you said you were going to tell him.
He's your cousin, Roy, you do it.
But it's you who hates him, so you should tell him.
Yeah, I do hate him, but you hate him as well.
I don't hate him. I just think he's a bit annoying when he sings all the time.
Well, that means, you know, you hate him, doesn't it, really? When you
No, it
think
doesn't
about
mean I hate him. He might have stayed too long, that's all.
Well, then tell him. Don't make me go in there, Roy. Bad stuff will happen if I go in there. Bad stuff. Do you want me to go in there?
No, it's probably for the best if I do it. You owe me one, though.
Get a win-win-win. All about the win.
He's not in here. It's just a CD playing. And he's left a note.
Do you want to lose?
What's the note say?
I realise I've got on both of your nerves, and I think it might be time to go. I thank you both very much for letting me stay. You've been very kind. I've left you each a copy of my new CD to show there are no hard feelings. Your friend Rolly. Ah, I feel awful now.
I don't.